Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating story from the Bible. In the Gospel of John, we find Jesus making his way to Jerusalem for a feast. Along the way, he encounters a man who had been ill for 38 years. This man was lying by the Pool of Bethesda, a place where people believed that the first person to enter the water after it was stirred would be healed. This man tells Jesus that no one has helped him into the pool yet, and he doesn't believe he would be healed anyway due to his sickness. But Jesus sees beyond this and tells him to rise up and walk, miraculously healing him on the spot. This act of healing on the Sabbath day, however, leads to some criticism from the Jews who were present. They criticize him for working on a day of rest. But Jesus responds by saying that he is God's Son and has the power to work on any day. So there you have it, folks, an inspiring story of faith, healing, and faith from the Bible. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed this content and want more stories like this. Thanks for tuning in.